Brand new doesn't mean problem-free. In 2025, I've inspected dozens of new construction homes, and over 90% had hidden defects that could have cost buyers thousands. We're talking electrical mistakes, plumbing shortcuts, and even structural issues that slip past the builder and the city code inspector. And here's the kicker: most buyers thought they didn't need an inspection at all. Hey everyone, I'm Inspector Q with Pro Inspect Solutions. And if you're buying or building a new home this year, this video could save you a whole lot of money and future headaches. Let's break down the top issues we're finding and how to protect yourself before signing those closing papers. Let's start behind those walls where some of the most scariest issues are hidden. I'm referring to missing GFCI protection in kitchens and bathrooms. Ground fault circuit interrupters are required by code in areas where water is present. Skipping them puts you in a risk of electrical shock, and it's one of the most common issues or misses we see in high-end builds. Another issue is outlets that are wired backwards are not even grounded. This involves reverse polarity or lack of grounding, which means electronics can malfunction or worse, spark or shock. These aren't cosmetic flaws either. These are dangerous. Another electrical issue is breakers that trip under light loads. This usually signals either undersized wiring, overloaded circuits, or poor panel installation. It's more than just an inconvenience, it's a fire hazard waiting to happen. Even brand new homes should never fail an electrical safety test. Plumbing problems. Just because the water flows doesn't mean that it's done right. Loose pipe fittings cause slow leaks inside walls. These leaks can go unnoticed for months, leading to mold, drywall damage, and even structural wood rot. By the time it's visible, it's too late. Next is hot and cold lines that are reversed, especially in vanities and showers. You turn on the hot and get the cold water. It's more common than you think, and it's often due to sloppy plumbing rough-ins that could have been checked during the final walkthroughs. Another plumbing issue is poor drainage slope causing water to back up. Whether it's under sinks or in the exterior pipes, improper pitch causes water to sit and stagnate, creating pressure, odors, and the risk of backflow. These aren't just nuances, they become expensive if missed early. Next is the HVAC installation errors. Your comfort depends on more than just a working thermostat. Crushed, damaged, or kinked ductwork in attics, builders are rushing to close often and install these ducts that are too long, bent, or damaged, or pinched. That reduces airflow dramatically. Heating and cooling can suffer from this. Improper vent placement, especially in two-story homes. Registers placed too close to walls or windows or unevenly across rooms can throw off the home's entire temperature balance. Unbalanced airflow, hot upstairs, freezing downstairs, often a result of poor duct design or missing dampers. It's one of the biggest complaints new homeowners have, and it's 100% preventable with proper inspections. A flawed HVAC system equals higher utility bills and uncomfortable living. Next is structural and cosmetic issues. New builds often look perfect until you get a closer look. We've come across things like cracked foundations and brand new slabs. Not all cracks are the same. However, we often find signs of settling due to poor soil prep, something no builder advertises. Framing shortcuts that lead to bowed or leaning walls. Inconsistent stud spacing or incorrect nailing techniques cause drywall to wave or crack. It's easy to miss this until it's too late. Other things like missing or inadequate attic insulation. We routinely find new homes with entire attic sections uninsulated or with thin coverage that doesn't meet code. This isn't just about energy bills. Poor insulation leads to uncomfortable rooms, overworked HVAC systems, and moisture problems from condensation. It's a basic build requirement that's often missed when builders rush to finish. And you deserve solid craftsmanship, not surface level polish. If you're a first-time home buyer, you might think a new home doesn't need inspecting. But skipping the inspection could mean paying out of pocket for issues you assume were under warranty. Most builder warranties only cover specific systems, and many defects are considered cosmetic unless caught early. And these warranties may only extend for 1 year. Most of them do. These hidden defects can decrease resale value. If defects aren't corrected up front, future buyers and their inspectors will catch them and you'll eat the cost. Living with safety hazards or system failures, mold from leaks, faulty wiring, and proper gas connections, none of this should exist in a new home, but it does, and it's avoidable. Here's a big pro tip. Always bring a third-party inspector, not just for your builder's final walkthrough. You're not just buying walls and paint, you're buying peace of mind. If you truly want peace of mind with your new build, that's what we can do for you. At Pro Inspect Solutions, we specialize in inspecting new construction homes before you sign off, so you're not left fixing the builder's mistakes. So book your new construction home inspection today. Like, comment, and subscribe for more insider tips. And drop your biggest new build surprise in the comments below. I'll see you in the next video.